Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix privacy error in Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then here that is your Google Chrome. I'm using Brave, so this process is still the same. So click on the three horizontal bar, and then you will be seeing this option. Hover over it and then click on history, or you can simply press Ctrl+H. And once you're here, you'll have an option to clear your browsing data on the left hand side of the screen. Simply click on it, and then a small pop-up will appear something like this. And once you're inside here you can select the time range like last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, depending on your selection, and then click on delete data and your browsing data will be cleared. Now the next step is changing the DNS server. So in order to do that, what you need to do is just simply open up your start menu and then search for control panel. Now once you're inside the control panel, here you'll be seeing this view option. Simply select it to small icons, and once you do that, you'll be seeing this option network and saving center. Click on it, and once you click on it here, you'll be seeing this option change adapter settings. Now click on that, and once you click on that, here what you need to do is select the internet that you are using, and then right click on it and then select properties. And once you are here, what you need to do is select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. And once you do that, here click on use the following DNS server addresses, and then here on preferred DNS server type in 8, 8, 8 and 8, and on the alternate DNS server type in 8, 8, 4 and 4, and then click on OK. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.